Hello, in this video we are going to do a detailed look into editing the button element using your website page builder. If you do not already know how to edit with a page builder, please look at an earlier video in this series which is on the website help section of your website. But let's just jump into it. We'll click edit with page builder on the page we want and then scroll down here and add a button element. Button element's there. And the main aspects of the button you need to focus on are the text and the link. So first of all, to edit the text, you highlight this here and change this to something. Button text goes here. If you click save, you'll see that that is now populated like that. Now, the link source has two options. We can first click normal, which is generally the option you'll use. And to set the link, you click select URL. And you can select a page from your website. For instance, if you click contact, you will see that the URL and the title for the contact page is automatically populated here. Or you could paste in a separate URL, or you could type one in, for instance, google.co.nz there. It's important that this HTTP or HTTPS are there if you are pasting the link in yourself. You can also click open a link in new tab, and if you click that, it will open in a new tab instead of reloading the page. If you click set link and then click save changes, you'll see that when we click button text goes here, it now goes to google.co.nz. So we can keep that as is. The style option, there may be multiple, but in this case there are two. Classic is just a background color here, or outline has a border with the text same color. Let's just go back to classic. Now you can select an icon to display next to the button text. In this case we just have two, but your website may have more. Let's go arrow right, and now we have an arrow pointing to the right. The default position for the icon is after the text, but we could change this to be before the text. If you click save, you'll see that the icon is now before the text. You can also change the color of the website. Primary and secondary are colors that generally will match the branding of your website. If we click secondary, you'll see that the button is now blue. And you can also select to use a custom color if you like, using the color wheel. But let's just change that back to default, which is the pink. You can select the size. We have 4: tiny, small, normal, and large. So if we go tiny, click save changes, you'll see it's very small there. Oops. Click normal, and that is the default one again. Now you can change the alignment. Inline means that if you were to have multiple buttons, they will be next to each other. So I'll just clone this one, click save changes, update, and then if you view it on the front end, you'll see that they are in line with each other. But if we wanted this button to be center aligned, we can click center, and you'll see that now it is center aligned. Generally, you don't have to worry about the element ID or element class or the design options of the button. And that is an overview of the button element. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly, or you can look at further videos and instructions on the knowledgebase.co.nz or website help section of your website.